Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today we will look at how to display and manage related files for specific records using AWS, Amazon Web Services. Let's start by uploading a file directly from your computer using the standard file upload. Simply click the Upload Files button. Select the file you need and click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading, then click Done. Now, let's explore how GridMate seamlessly integrates with AWS to further enhance your file management. These files are stored directly in the AWS bucket. Select the files you need from your bucket and click Add. Those files are now uploaded and instantly associated with your Salesforce record. Files originating from AWS can be identified by the bucket label. You can also upload files from your computer straight into the AWS bucket. The file has been successfully uploaded. You are currently in Tree View, where you can perform actions such as copy, cut, paste, download, and delete, either single or multiple files. Let's try downloading multiple files at once, and then deleting them in bulk. In addition to Tree View, you also have Gallery View, Table View, and Carousel View, which allow you to preview files in different formats. You can refresh the component at any time. Files can also be previewed simply by clicking on their names. That's it. Thank you for watching.